What's up, entrepreneurs? Welcome back to The Insane Entrepreneur, and for this video's topic, we're going to talk about how buying options doesn't always work out for you. All right, so last week was pretty crazy with the dips in the market. The market was down quite a bit. It also brought down a stock that I was looking at, which was BOTS, an ETF, and it brought it down to a price that I thought was a good deal. So I purchased a few shares on my business portfolio account. However, it was down significantly to the point where I was like, okay, this is definitely overextended. I thought that it was down too much, right? So I figured I'd buy at least one call option because, as you guys know, I don't have much on my business portfolio account. So I figured I'd make at least a quick 10% when it bumps back up in price. So what I did was I picked up one call. I'll list the price right here or right here. One of those spots. What had happened was I purchased the call and I was out of the money as soon as I purchased the call. So an out of the money option is pretty much if you buy a call or a put and as soon as you buy that call or put, you're negative. But you are pretty certain or you're sure that it's gonna go out of the negative sometime soon, hopefully. All right, so my out of the money call was placed. It was executed. And I was like, okay, now all I gotta do is wait. It's probably gonna take me at least, I don't know, a couple days to recoup or maybe even a week, right? Because the expiration date on that call was in the middle of July. So then I think, I don't know, later on in the day or the next day, I can't remember exactly, but I noticed that I was positive on it. And I was like, oh shit, I'm positive on it? I think I was up like $5. It wasn't much, but as I mentioned earlier, I don't have much on that account, so $5 up is not bad. It's actually a good thing. So I executed the sell order on that call option. So this is when things started getting interesting. I executed the call option to sell it, and pretty much what happens at that point is you kind of wait for like a buyer, right? And I didn't get a notification right away, so I was like, all right, this might take a few hours. So a few hours went by and the market was almost closed by then. So I'm like, okay, what is going on? I sold this thing. Are there no buyers? So then as I'm waiting for this thing to get sold, the option is going red again. So I'm like, what are you serious right now? It was green when I was getting ready to sell it. Now it's going red. And then the market closed, and pretty much when that happens, then you get the option back and the sell order is canceled. So pretty much to sum it all up, I tried to sell the call option and no buyers were out there. No one was willing to take it. So then at the end of the trading day, I ended up with that call option again. But it's actually kind of perfect because it allowed me to make a video to tell you guys that, you know, stocks are not like a video game. If you execute a trade, it's not gonna go in your favor all the time. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. But sometimes you're in a great position, like I was. You're in the green and you're ready to sell, make a profit, and there's no buyers out there to take your call option. So that's one of the sad realities of trading options and a big reason why I don't really trade much options. And when you are trading options, it's best to look at the volume and to see if there's actually a large amount of people trading options or contracts on that particular stock. But anyway, so that's pretty much what happened to me last week. Hopefully this week I can actually get rid of that thing at a profit. I mean, I don't think it's gonna take until July, and if that's the case, then I would completely lose my money. I mean, it's not like a crazy amount. However, the objective or the point of this portfolio of trading stocks in general is to make a profit. So hopefully I can get rid of that option eventually, and hopefully I can get rid of it at a profit. But this is one of the risks that a lot of people tend to overlook or not know, I guess, when they trade options. They just kind of think you sell it either at a positive or a negative. But another variable in there is you just might not be able to sell it. But anyway, I figured this would be a good learning experience for you guys. And of course, my next video is probably going to be a business update. Since I haven't made a small business update video, I pretty much just been talking about stocks for like the past, I don't know, 5 videos, something like that. So I'll definitely do a business update soon. And yeah, Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you got a problem with what I'm talking about.
Stand up.